Guys, it's JC's Vids, and I am back with another video, and this is my first ever Angry Birds plush video, because I am going to be doing an Angry Birds plush series, and yeah, warning, it's going to be like the first Mario plush video, where it's just Mario and the Koopalings, so yeah, here it is. Just got home from a long day of working with the pigs. There's a pig. I don't want to kill him though. He's annoying. Just gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna steal his money. I'm back at the piggy castle in the morning. So, basically, gotta go kill the pigs again. I've lost money somehow. I don't know why. Oh no. Yeah, I'm here. Oh God. Oh. Dun. Awesome, 3 stars. Okay. Yeah, gotta get home. Huh. Okay guys, that was the end of my first Angry Birds plush video. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and bye.